Hello everyone! When a sweater gets torn, many people's first reaction is to fold it up and throw it away. But have you ever noticed that most of the sweater is still in great condition? The fabric is still soft, warm, and perfectly usable. Throwing it away just because of a small tear feels like such a waste. Instead of tossing it out, why not look at it a little differently? In this video, I'll show you how to reuse a torn sweater and turn it into something completely new and useful. By the end, you might think twice before throwing away your old sweaters. Let's get started. First, we are going to cut off the sleeves of the sweater. Lay the sweater flat on the table so it is easy to see the seams. Using your scissors, cut close to the seam where the sleeve connects to the body of the sweater. Try to follow the seam line carefully so the cut stays neat. Next, we cut off the second sleeve in the same way. Cut close to the seam that joined the sleeve to the body. Take your time and cut slowly. There is no need to rush. Now we have two separate sleeves like this. Place them side by side so we can work on them more easily. Next, take a ruler and some tailor chalk. Use the ruler to draw a straight line on the sleeve. This line helps us create an even piece of fabric and remove the extra fabric. Make sure both sides look balanced before moving on. For the other sleeve, we draw a similar straight line. Try to make it as close as possible to the first one so both pieces match well. Now take your scissors and cut away the extra knitted fabric along the lines you just drew. Cut carefully and follow the chalk line. While cutting, I hope your hands feel comfortable today. If you need to pause, that is perfectly fine. Next, turn the knitted fabric to the wrong side. Smooth it out gently so there are no wrinkles. From this fabric edge, measure inward about 19 to 20 centimeters. Mark this point clearly with chalk. This mark will guide our next step. Now cut one side of the sweater sleeve up to the marked point. Keep the cut straight and steady. In the middle section, fold a small pleat of about 1 to 2 centimeters. Press it lightly with your fingers so it stays in place. At the top of this folded area, draw a curved shape. The curve should look soft and natural. After that, cut away the excess fabric along the curved line. Please cut slowly and carefully here. On the folded pleat area, cut a diagonal angle of about 30 degrees on each side. This helps shape the piece and reduces extra bulk. Once all the cutting is finished, we start sewing. Use a basic hand stitch and sew close to the fabric edge. Small and even stitches work best here. You do not need to make them too tight. By the way, where are you watching this video from today? Please leave a comment and let me know. I really enjoy reading your messages. Do not worry if the knitted edge looks like it might unravel. Later, I will show you how to overcast the edges so they stay secure. After sewing around the curved edge, we now sew the diagonal cut edge in the center. Keep using the same simple stitch and move slowly. When you finish sewing, tie a knot in the thread and cut off the excess thread. Now we will work on the knitted edge. Use an overcast stitch to secure it. This stitch helps prevent the fabric from fraying. Do you have another way to finish knitted edges? Please share your method in the comments. We can all learn from each other. After finishing the overcast stitch, tie the thread securely and cut off the extra thread. This part is now complete. At this point, the piece is finished. All the knitted edges are sewn securely, and the fabric edge is reinforced so it will not fray during use. Now we repeat the same process with the other sleeve. Measure the length and mark it again. Cut the remaining edge of the sleeve and remove any extra knitted fabric before sewing. While sewing the second piece, take a moment to relax your shoulders and hands. Sewing is a good time to slow down. How long have you been sewing? Have you made something special recently? After finishing sewing the second sleeve, turn both pieces to the right side. Now you can see that each sleeve has been sewn into a sock shape. And just like that, we have a pair of warm knitted socks. With just a few simple stitches and a few easy steps, we can create a lovely pair of socks from an old sweater. The thick knitted fabric helps keep your feet warm, and the stretchy material fits many foot sizes comfortably. You can try making these at home and enjoy giving new life to an old sweater. And now we are all finished. Thank you so much for spending your time sewing with me today. I hope this small project brought you a little joy and relaxation. Sometimes, simple stitches can bring a lot of warmth, not just to our feet, but also to our hearts. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and share it with friends or family who also love sewing. Feel free to leave a comment below and tell me how your socks turned out, or share any sewing tips you have learned over the years. I would really love to hear from you. Take care of yourself, keep your hands warm, and I will see you again in the next video. Happy sewing and have a wonderful day.